Give it to me like.
Hi guys, so today we are going to be making these beautiful earrings with some things I have at home. We're going to be needing plain earrings. I got this from the market, so just plain flat earrings. I got these roses from, I think I pulled them out of a tiara I had. I just didn't want to throw them away because they're so pretty. These are flat beads. I also pulled them out from an old necklace. This is a tiny piece of straw board just to have a base to put everything on. A lip balm. I'm going to be using this to just map out a circle. Pen to draw the circle. Glue gun to attach everything together. And of course, scissors. So let's get into it, guys. So first things first, I'm going to draw the circle and cut it out. There you have it. Next, I'm going to be attaching a tiny piece of cloth. I'm going to be just cutting it in the shape of the circle. This is just to cover the color because the beads are white, so I don't want the color of the straw board to show when we attach everything together. So I'm just going to base it with another white fabric. So I'm going to attach it using the glue gun. Press everything down, just making sure that it's as neat as possible. I'm going to add some more glue. Just make sure that everything is as tucked in and neat as possible so that the finishing can be flawless. Okay, so I'm going to trim the excess out, parts that didn't want to stay down. Please ignore my rusty scissors. I couldn't find my new one. Okay, so now I'm just going to be placing the beads on the base. So we're using a very tiny glue because everything is small. And then we place. You have to make sure the bead is not completely in the circle, just the tip of it. Now we go for the next one. Tiny glue. And then the tip of the bead. And we're just going to keep doing that. I think I used 5 of the beads. So I usually place it on the base just to see how it looks, before I put the glue so that I don't make a mistake. So I'm just going to keep doing that till all the 5 beads are attached to the base. all done. Look at that. Everything sits perfectly. So pretty. So now I'm going to take the rose and I'm going to attach it to the middle, just to cover that space there. So here we're going to be needing a lot of glue because that place is hollow. You need to fill it up with glue and then place the rose in the middle and hold it down. You see it? You see it? It's perfect. Okay, now we're going to be attaching the plain earring. So I'm going to attach it right here. So apply your glue. And attach. Steady hands, guys, steady hands. Press down to make sure that everything holds well. Apply glue anywhere you feel might get loose. Tiny glue, guys, tiny glue. You don't want this to look messy. You can use your hand to take out any excess glue that is visible. I'm going to be filling in those holes because I don't want the rose to fall out. And I'm taking out all the excess glue that is visible. Okay guys, look at it. Of course we need a pair, so we're going to be doing the second one. Ta-da! You see it? You see it? So pretty. I've worn these earrings so many times with different outfits and they're always perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.